Geometry kids. So today you're going to be working on your Unit 0 study guide. We're towards the end of the unit and you're going to be working on this today and tomorrow. So I will be back on Wednesday. We're going to go through this on Wednesday before your test should be next Thursday. So if you look at the very beginning, there's a list of skills here. These came directly off the test. So if you can do these things, you should be fine on the test. If there's words that you're not for sure what they mean, go back and look in your iNotebook, see if you can find the vocabulary terms. If you can't, ask somebody and see if they can give you maybe an example of what you're supposed to be doing on those skills. So make sure that you know how to do these. So now you can write directly on this. You do not need to do hot dog, hamburger paper with it. So you're welcome to write back on it. Now there are some, like the dimensional analysis questions, that don't have a whole lot of room. You are welcome to use extra paper, but please number your problems so that when I go back and look and see what you've done, I can find your work. Now this is going to be worth extra credit. So here are there's 3 stipulations to how you can get extra credit for this. The first stipulation is that it is complete with all work shown and hopefully that you have checked it. That's not a stipulation, but I hope you've checked it. So yeah, completed with all work shown. That's your first stipulation. Second stipulation is that you have your parents sign it. Just up on the top somewhere, have your parents sign it. That way I know that they know that you have a test, for one, and 2, that it's supposed to verify that you've studied somewhat. And then the third stipulation is that you turn it in on the day you take the test. So if you come to class, we're taking the test that day, you turn it in that day. If you're absent that day, you turn it in the day that you're going to take the test. I will not take it afterwards for extra credit. I will be happy to take it and look at it, but not for extra credit. It is worth 5 extra credit points on your test, so that could be a game changer. If you're like in a 76 situation, it'll bring you from a C to a B, or maybe an 86, it'll bring you back up to an A. So extra credit. The substitute has the answer key. You are more than welcome to go check your answers. The only thing that I ask, and the sub's been told this, is that you do not go up and change your answers at the key. Mark which ones you have wrong, go back to your seat, correct them back at your seat. If you want to check again, that's fine. But I just ask that you don't change your answers at the answer key. So have fun working on this. If you get anything you get stuck on, we will be talking about these in class on Wednesday, I believe. So have fun. See ya.